Hello, students, and welcome back to Diksha's Learning World. I hope you all are safe and secure at your places. I'm Diksha Yesarwani, your English teacher, and today we'll be discussing a really very interesting topic, which is how to learn English. Now, in this video, I have taken a general problem which is faced by many students, that is, how to improve their communication skills and why learn English. So, the first thing which you have to ask to yourself is, do you speak English? Yes or no? If your answer is no, then you have to really watch this video carefully. Okay. So, the first question which arises is, why learn English? Okay. So, English is really very important. Yes, it is important to learn English because you can get more knowledge, and if you know English well, an incredible amount of resources becomes accessible, like your books, courses, videos, and of course, a great part of the internet. And according to one of the research, English is the most commonly spoken language in the world. And 1 out of 5 people can speak or at least understand English. So it is really very important to learn English. Second thing is that you may get a better job if you know English. Now this is really very important from students' point of view, that many positions require you to be fluent in English writing or speaking. And in those cases, your knowledge of English is a critical advantage. It can help you get a job and advance further in your career. Okay, so what is the approach to English learning? That people must have clear purpose in learning English. They must know why they want to learn English. And the awareness of the reason for learning gives us the right motivation and focus. English can be learned for several purposes. It would be like a good idea to identify one's reason to learn English in order to encourage oneself to continue learning English. That why actually you want to learn English. And English is one of the most widely spoken languages around the world, as well as the most taught. If you learn English, you will be able to get ahead professionally. Now, how to learn English? Because it's time to learn English. Now, many people know that language needs to be practiced, but they don't know how to practice language. So in this video, I'll tell you certain steps which you have to follow to learn English. Okay. So the first step is that you have to make a plan for yourself. Okay. You have to make a plan for yourself. You have to read as many English articles you can. That is stories, newspapers, texts. You have to read these things on a regular basis. Try to describe anything around you in English. Okay. Now the second point is that try writing text on various topics in English to improve your understanding of grammar. Okay. Use English in your daily life. Express what is in your mind. Okay. Now next point is that watch movies and TV programs and listen to radio programs in English. Imitate. Imitate means try to copy what you listen from native speakers. Whatever you will listen now, that only you will communicate with others. Now next is try enhancing your vocabulary by learning new words. Now whenever you find new words, find their meanings in the dictionary and use them in writing. Like this you will learn a new word also, and that will help you to enhance your vocabulary also. Now the last point which you have to follow is try to speak English without fear. Now the biggest problem most people face in learning English is their own fear. They have the word which I can use over here is phobia. They worry that they don't say or they won't say things correctly, or that they will look stupid, so they don't talk at all. Don't do this. Again, I'm saying don't do this. The fastest way to learn anything is to do it again and again until you get it right. Because, like any learning English requires practice. So don't let a fear stop you from getting what you want. And try to remove this word can't from your life. And remember, I can do it. And as I always say, that practice makes a man perfect. The more you practice, the better you become. So it is up to you that you want to practice these things, or you want to follow these things in life, and you want to improve your English or not. So ultimately, it depends on you only. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you, and all the best.